Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Sodi and today I'll be showing you MS test attributes. So what I mean by MS test attributes. So we have these four attributes which we'll be using commonly. First is test class, second is test method, third is test initialize, and fourth is test cleanup. So let's start with test class and test method first. Let me open Visual Studio quickly, and what I'll do is I'll go ahead and create a new project, and under new project I'll just select unit test project, and I'll just give the name MS test attributes, and I'll click on OK button. And this one is my previous project, so I'm going to say no. So this is our new uh, test project. So if you notice, you will see two things. One is test class and the other one is test method. So what is test class and what is test method? So basically when we say it's a test project, so Visual Studio is smart enough to put these two attributes. So what this attribute is, basically it's telling this that this is a test class. And what do I mean by this is a test? Okay, let's see now. So let me go over test method also. So this is test method. So what do we mean by test method? So let's say, for example, let me put something over here in our code. So I'll put something hello. Let's put test method 1, and I will also say read line console dot read line, so you can read the text. Okay, so basically now if I go ahead and build this project, you will notice now it's built successfully. Looks like okay, now it's built. So now since this is a test project, you will see a test method test case on the left side under test explorer. So if you don't see this test explorer, you can simply go under test and you can select Windows, and under Windows you will see test explorer. So now if I go ahead and say run selected test, so this will do nothing but execute our first test. So let's take an example. Let me comment this out, test class, and now I will rebuild this, and you will see that the test is disappeared from here. So that means the script is not able to recognize that this project is a test project where we are actually writing our test cases. So same thing goes with, I'll uncomment this and I will comment out test method, and now I will rebuild this again. And once it is done, again you will see that there is nothing under test explorer. So the script is not able to understand that this is a test script. So these two attributes are really important. So we can have multiple test methods in our project. So for example, let me create few more. So I'll say this one as test method 2, and this one I'll say test method 3, and also I will change it over here 2 and 3. But you have to one thing very important, you have to make sure that you actually add this attribute on each of this test method, otherwise you won't see your test. So I can give you an example. Now I won't put over here, just to show you that you what happens when we build this solution. And see, now you only see test method 1 and test method 2 because we did not put test method above test method 3. So now if I copy this over here, now the script knows that these all three are a test method. So now if I rebuild this, and you will see all three test cases. So that's the use of test method. And test class, it basically tells that this unit test over here, it tells that this unit test one is a test class. Under this we have a test method. So these two attributes are really important when we automate our when we do our automation testing. So now simply if you want to run this, you can actually individually select these test cases and say run selected test, or you can just click on this, not run, over here and say run selected test. So now you will see all three test cases has been executed. So if you want to see the results, you can actually simply select the test case, and over here you will see an output, and you can see test method 1. And same thing goes with if you want to see the output for test method 2, just click over here and you will see test method 2. So this is what we use to tell the script, tell the automation that okay, this is a test class and this is a test method. So you see all your automation test cases over here. So that's all I would like to cover for this session. In the next session, we'll cover what is test initialize and what is test cleanup. Thank you so much and have a great day.